Copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will remain idle until you instruct it to begin. At any point, you can request additional material, and ChatGPT will generate new prompts accordingly. To create this video, I will use Freepik and Nano Banana Pro for image generation and VO for video production. Start by opening ChatGPT, copying the prompt for the first image, then return and paste it into Freepik. Click Generate. Repeat this process for each image. However, to maintain visual consistency, ensure that you always include the same photo reference in every prompt. Once all images have been generated, proceed to the video creation phase. Switch to the video generator and select VEO as the model. Upload the first image as the starting frame and the second image as the ending frame. Paste the corresponding prompt, select the desired duration, and click Generate. Repeat this process sequentially for each pair of images until all video segments are created. After generating all videos, download the files. Open Capcut or your preferred video editing software. Import the video clips, apply any necessary adjustments, and export the final video.